Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro M104a printer driver in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up centered. After that, scroll down. Here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP LaserJet Pro M104a driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. The first link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer, and here we find our printer name and software and download. Open this link. This is our official website. Open that link and here we find our printer name. Here we find our operating system and bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update. After that, scroll down. Here we find many options. Go to this recommended option. Here we find driver product installation software. Here we find recommended things. Here is our printer name M102a to M104a. This is our printer names. Click on this download. Click on the download. It's a redirect you to another web page and download is started at the top. Our download is started and it takes few seconds to download to complete on our PC or laptop. Wait for few seconds. Download is almost complete. Download is completed. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer driver files and we are going to install that printer driver files. That is very easy and simple. Go to our printer driver and right click on it. This is basically these printer drivers are basically a zip file and we are going to unzip it. Right click on it. Here we find extract files. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK. Wait for a few seconds. It's unzip our files and create a new files on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds to complete this process. Our process is complete. Here we find unzip file or the extracted folders. Double click on this file folder and here we find our files. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find add a printer or scanner, click on add a printer or scanner at the top. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. Wait for a few seconds. Here is the new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that, check this and click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Here we find Havadix. Click on Havadix. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on this. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file and click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find HP LaserJet M101 to M106 PCLMS and here we find PCLM then hash and S. Okay, these are two drivers and these are two same drivers. Our printer name M104a is also included in this printer driver. Select any driver that you want and click on the next. Here we find our printer name. Give any printer name that you like. I give 4A. Here we find I give HP LaserJet M104a. You can give any printer name that you like and click on the next. It is installing our printer and it's take few seconds to install this. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. That is very easy. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find HP LaserJet M104a, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.